SARURA kids.
Ha? Ba. 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 Yeah? Are you ready? Okay, so today we're doing something that's very, very simple for anybody who likes playing. I don't know what they call this actually. Some places they call, I think, oobleck or something. It's cornflour, yes, but some people call it something strange, which I don't know. I've seen it. I'm not going to take any credit for it. I saw this on YouTube. Cornflour and water. How is cornflour and water a liquid and also a solid? Let's find out. So, here. Let's put some cornflour in our bowl. So, I just eyeball it. So you just put as much as you like. Now this is a fun indoor activity. Yes, it is fun, isn't it? But all of it? Oh, okay, well, Mummy was trying to save some cornflour for next time, but no, it looks like we're using all of it today. Right, so all of it goes in. Shake, 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 shake. Well done. So that's empty. You can throw that in the bin. Let me go get some water. All right, let's put some water in there. Not all of it. Try mixing that. Mix, 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 mix it all in. It's a bit hard. Mummy will help. So you have to squash it, squash it, squash it, squash it. Squash it, squash it. I think that's more than enough water. So now you've got it all in there. So all the powder is now dissolved in the water. But this is what we find fascinating, is it's liquid. You can tell it's liquid because, you know, it's floating around like a liquid. But you do that and it kind of turns solid. See, it's kind of solid. But as soon as you pick it up, it breaks down again. So, you know, we love this. Mummy's fascinated by it as well. Anna is even more so fascinated. So the first time we cracked this out, this was an hour and a half of playing just with that solid, which is also a liquid. Yes. You can squash it. Can you try and squash it with your hands? Squash, squash, squash.
I boil it. I boil it. Boil. I boil it.
Boil it?
I boil.
Well, Mummy uses it to cook.
I need.
No, this is not for cooking with. This is just for playing with. And then if you want a little bit of a difference as well, you can put some colours in there. But we're not going to do colours just now.
No.
You pick it up. Oh, you're stuck.
Does it? Wash. My Mackie.
You're a mucky little pup, aren't you?
My Mackie. My Mackie puppy, Mommy.
Yes, you're a mucky little pup. Mummy loves this cornflour as well. So you squash it and it turns into a solid. And then as soon as you open your hand, it just turns back into a liquid.
I'm lucky little doggy. Lucky baby doggy.
You're a mucky little pup, yes you are. And this is just great because it's like a brilliant sensory activity
My
thing.
lucky puppy.
Yes, you're a mucky little pup.
I want it all day.
She can play with this all day, Gogo. She's not lying either. You can play with it all day. Can you pick it up?
Where am I seeing? My lucky puppy.
Yes, you are. Ah, mucky little pup. I wonder where you picked that statement up from.
Boy, 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 puppy, boy. My monkey puppy. My monkey puppy.
Yes, you are. Your mummy's mucky little pup.
Daddy! Yeah. Daddy!
4. I've been cooking with cornflour wrong all these years.
Got my apron on, Daddy.
Yes, you've got your apron on.
It's cooking. It's cornflour.
You're cooking cornflour.
Hmm.
There's lots and lots and lots and lots.
Not the water, Daddy. The water. Is at rain. Is it at the rain and
It's staying out of the rain, is it?
rain come out? It goes on Odops. It goes on Odops. It goes everywhere.
That rain goes everywhere.
It's going on there. It's going on there, Mummy.
Yes, it's going on the edge of the bowl.
Edge.
Mm-hmm.
I put it on the edge.
Yes. The cleverest 2-year-old you've ever met.
Oh.
And she's brave enough to fight a big gruffalo all on her own.
She is acquiring a lot of vocabulary. I now don't know what's normal for a 2-year-old.
It's rain. It's rain, Mom.
We'll have her speaking 3 languages any minute.
Rain, Daddy.
It's rain. Well, she does
rain,
kind of, doesn't she? Because Antika, she
It's
speaks
rain, Daddy.
sign language as well. It's like Ashona English and a sign language.
It's rain.
Mm. So she does speak 3 languages. And next, I know we're going to learn German together. Mama German. I know.
My oomaki.
You are Maki. Mama said, "Uda kudzidzira German." Ngatidzidzire German tese. I know. Well, no one's paying attention to me right now.
Because that's the next lot.
Plop, plop, plop.
Pop, pop. Oh, Daddy. Where's Daddy?
I think Daddy's gone back to work.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy might have gone back to work. It's okay, he'll come back.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
That's amazing, isn't it?
My daddy gone.
Yes, Daddy's gone to work.
Ah, Daddy.
Is he coming back? He'll be back, don't worry. I think you were just having too much fun with your cornflour. You thought he should let you have some more fun. Gogo can't resist. So this is also sensory play for gogos and grown-ups.
Yeah. For children and grown-ups, I didn't know that it can actually get solid and liquid.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of makes sense because, you know, when you use cornflour, you have to beat it and then keep adding more water. Otherwise, it's kind of like the stickiness where it sticks to the bottom of the cup when you're mixing it. So that's what it is. But yes, it's stuck, Maki little pup.
Even the grandma is fascinated.
Yeah, I was there with them on the first day, don't worry. You're allowed to get your hands in and get stuck in as well.
Oh, my.
Let me try and do something before Celine wakes up.
That's all my friends.
That's all your friends.
You're on the edge again.
It's going on the edge, yes.
Where's Daddy?
I don't know. Where is Daddy?
Daddy!
Daddy's gonna come, don't worry. You keep playing with your cornflour.
I'm playing my coin.
Mm-hmm. Keep doing your cooking.
I keep doing my cooking.
Mm-hmm.
I do my cooking, my cornflour.
Mm-hmm.
It's Papa.
Yes.
Keep it in the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it in the bowl.
Yes, that would be a good idea, wouldn't it?
Keep it in the bowl.
Although Mummy has a sneaking suspicion that there's probably going to be more outside the bowl than there is in by the end of this little exercise.
Exercise.
Yes, exercise, which means you can have fun as long as you like. So because I don't think anyone wants to sit and watch an hour and a half of you playing with cornflour and water, which is quite fascinating, but hey ho, it is what it is. We've got to say bye-bye. Yes, and this mucky little pup can carry on playing with her stuff.
Reading this book now. She can already read.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. She can read, she can count up to 10 independently. She can start in the middle and count all the way up to 10 again. She can identify the numbers. We haven't yet gotten to writing my letters and my numbers. It's all just things of practice, isn't it? Yes. And we count fingers, we count toes, and when we're counting fingers as well, after bath time, tunomva counta chigunwe, 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 chigunwe. And so you can count to 10, you can say chigunwe, and you know what your chigunwe is, and you know what ruoko is. Ano, where's your chigunwe? No, where's your... Yay! And where's your ruoko?
There.
No, ruoko? Yes, that's ruoko. Well done. So in the morning we count chigunwe, chigunwe, chigunwe.
That.
That's chigunwe. Chigunwe. Chigunwe.
Finger.
Yeah. She knows that it's the finger, but she can't quite say the word yet. Chigunwe. No, that's still just the cornflour. It's now got color in it. So we put a little bit of green in, just for something different.
No. It's different or
Yeah, when it's got green in, it looks different, doesn't it?
different or my muck. My muck. My mucky. My mucky.
You're a mucky little puppy. Yes, you are. So we just got food colouring actually. I forgot to mention food colouring just from the shops. So we got different colours, and today she chose green. Again, that's another little fun thing for getting kids to notice what colours you have. You can put the colours in front of them and ask them which colour they want, and they have to tell you what the colour is.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Okay, now Mummy really is going. Look at that.
What color?
Yeah, look, Gogo.
Look, it's the colors.
It's got colours, yes?
It's the colors, Coco. It's on my jumper.
Yes, it's on your jumper, isn't it?
On my hand.
And now Mummy is disappearing. Disappear, disappear, disappear. I'm disappearing. Ooh. Goodbye, mucky pup. Goodbye.